Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to convert measurements in Google Sheets. Have you ever had to convert a measurement on a report, say Fahrenheit to Celsius or kilometers to miles? Google Sheets has a function that can do that for you. The convert function can take any measurement and convert it into another measurement. Let's look at how to convert measurements in Google Sheets. Open a new Google Sheet or one that already exists. For this demonstration, I will be using an existing spreadsheet. To convert the temperature of -36 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, click in cell B3 and type equals convert, open parentheses, A3, comma, quotation mark, C, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, F, quotation mark, closing parentheses, and press enter. You will see that Google converted -36 degrees Celsius to -32.8 degrees Fahrenheit. To convert kilometers to miles, click in cell B7 and type equals convert, open parentheses, A7, comma, quotation mark, MI, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, KM, quotation mark, and closing parentheses, and press enter. You will see that Google has converted 50 kilometers to 80.4672 miles. To convert kilometers per hour to miles per hour, click in cell B11 and type equals convert, open parentheses, A11, comma, quotation mark, KM/H, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, MPH, quotation mark, closing parentheses, and press enter. You will see that Google converts 150 kilometers per hour to 93.20567,884 miles per hour. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.